In this short video, we'll talk about a tool in Photoshop Elements that's not spoken about very often. Not too many use it. It's a sponge tool, and the sponge tool is located in the same group as the dodge and burn tool are located. Let's do a Control J, and that makes us an extra layer here, a duplicate layer, so we can compare the difference of what we're doing. The sponge tool works basically just like a sponge. If you want to remove some color, you just take the sponge tool and go over the particular area that you want to affect, and the more you go over it, the more it works. There's practically no green left in that grass now, as you can see. To compare the difference, I'll go back and forth how it was right there to how the sponge tool removed the green. That's how it was, and that's how that is now. Let's do a repeated Control Z to back up, get back where we were again. And there's an alternate use for the sponge tool. Obviously you could go into color, enhance and color and saturate and increase or decrease saturation, but that affects the entire picture. With the sponge tool you can be selective to a particular area. So besides removing color, if you go down here to where it says desaturate, you can choose saturate, and it does just the opposite. It would actually add green to that grass. As you can see, it's becoming more and more green as I go over it. Say the water possibly, that's the old muddy mow. You want to make it look a little more colorful. Let's reduce that a little bit. Let's just saturate a little bit and see what happens. It's reflecting, increasing the reflection from the sky, the blue. You can see that river become more and more like a clear Rocky Mountain brook. So that's the sponge tool. It will either saturate or desaturate a picture. Let's compare. Here's how that river was and the grass, and I'll go back now to this. Green grass, blue water. So much for the sponge tool.